Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. We're going to show you how to install a new ice auger end cap for your Amana refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a 1/4-inch nut driver and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new ice auger end cap. The reason why you'd be replacing the ice auger end cap is if it's cracked, broken, or if the ice maker isn't dispensing ice. To access the part, you'll first need to open the freezer door. Pull out and remove the ice bucket assembly. With the ice bucket, turn it upside down so you can access the bottom. Then there's a lip right along here that you'll need to lift up. It'll remove it from the main mounting assembly. Do the same on this side, and afterwards you can pull forward and remove the panel. And then you'll need to loosen and remove these two retaining screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver, which will allow you to pull off this front assembly. Turn over the ice bucket assembly, and now if you lift up on this front edge, it'll remove the whole auger assembly. With the auger assembly, you want to tilt it up so it sits on the end, and this is the cap that we'll be removing. Part of the auger screw comes into the end of the cap. To remove it, we're going to need to lift up and then turn it sideways at the same time, which should pull it out. Here's the old ice auger end cap next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new ice auger end cap, you're going to need to have this opening a line over the end of the auger. So put it in place, tilt it down a little bit, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn it clockwise and push it down at the same time, which snaps it into place. Afterwards, we can reinstall the assembly back in the ice bucket. So we'll position the whole auger assembly in here so that the new end cap goes into this hole, and then when we set it down, it goes in there. When we slide this down, it'll lock on to these two tabs here and be in position. Hold the whole assembly and then turn the bucket upside down. And then we'll thread in and tighten these two retaining screws that hold this to the ice bucket. Turn the bucket back over. You'll now be ready to install this front panel. On the inside top edge is a ridge that'll go over this here. So tilt it and put it in position so it sits on there. And then we're going to turn the bucket upside down so we can stretch this over. So there's two tabs here that need to go over the edge. So if you lift up with your thumb, it'll go on. Make sure it's aligned. Turn over the bucket, and now we're ready to install it in the freezer. Reposition the ice bucket along the tracks, push it all the way into position, and then close the door. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.